I really hope to be in the dancing like Michael Flatley. He would be my idol. He's made Irish dancing global and he's made people's hopes and dreams become true.
What I didn't know when I was saying all that was that this would happen next.
Is Tomi around here?
It's Michael Flatley.
How are you?
Okay.
Congratulations, I heard you won the championship. You happy?
Yeah.
How did it go?
Good.
Yeah, did it? Great. We'll ask your father right now on camera when he becomes old enough. I'd like to give him an open audition to dance for Lord of the Dance. Come in and try out anytime.
Wow.
If it's okay with your mom and dad, it would be okay with me. We would love to have you.
Absolutely.
Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Would you do a couple of steps for me?
I'm a bit starstruck, but I do my best.
Absolutely amazing. I can't believe that I've danced in front of such an amazing person like him.
Fantastic. Bravo. Absolutely fantastic.
I never thought that would ever happen in a million years, and when he walked through that door, I didn't even know what to say.
Tomi, world champion. Thank you so much.
I just can't believe I actually met up to his standards.
Are you a bit emotional?
Wow.
You believe that? Ah, Tomi.
So proud.
I'm so proud of you.